If you're considering BigTime Tax add-on, there are 12 crucial things you need to know before buying. Compared to other sales tax software out there, BigTime offers some great features, but it's important to understand its limitations. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of whether it's the right fit for your business or if there's a better alternative. First off, BigTime integrates with major accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, making it a convenient add-on if you're already using one of these systems. It streamlines your tax calculation process, saving time during tax season. However, if you're looking for a solution that supports a wider range of integrations, you may find its options a bit limiting compared to some of its competitors. Next thing, BigTime's pricing model is based on your usage, which can be a bit tricky. It charges per transaction, so the more you sell, the more you'll pay. This could add up quickly for larger businesses or those with high transaction volumes. Compared to flat fee competitors, this can be a disadvantage if you're scaling up. The third thing you should know is that BigTime offers a solid user interface. It's simple to navigate and doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary features. However, it may not have the customization options that other software providers like Avalara or TaxJar offer. If you need more flexibility in how taxes are applied across various product categories, BigTime might not meet your needs. Next, BigTime's support is good, but it's not 24/7. The customer service team is available during regular business hours, which may be inconvenient if you run a business with global reach or late-night operations. Competitors like TaxCloud offer round-the-clock support, so keep that in mind if you expect immediate assistance at all hours. Another thing to consider is BigTime's ease of setup. Many users report that the installation process is straightforward, especially if you're already familiar with their ecosystem. However, if you're new to sales tax software, you may experience a learning curve. Competitors like TaxJar offer more guided setup experiences, which could be an advantage for beginners. The fifth thing to note is BigTime's real-time tax rate calculation. It pulls data from local tax jurisdictions, ensuring accurate tax rates for your sales. However, if you're dealing with complex international sales, BigTime doesn't have as robust global support as other tools like Avalara that offer comprehensive international tax compliance. Next thing, BigTime offers automated filing, which is a huge time saver. But it's not entirely hands-off. Some users report that the software occasionally requires manual review, especially for niche tax situations. Other competitors have a higher degree of automation in their filing processes, which can save you even more time. The seventh thing is BigTime's reporting features. While it provides basic reports, it lacks advanced reporting capabilities. If you need detailed insights into your tax history, sales trends, or custom reports, BigTime may fall short compared to competitors like TaxJar, which offer more granular reporting options. Another point to consider is its scalability. BigTime is a good fit for small to medium-sized businesses, but it may not scale as easily for larger companies or those with complex tax needs. Competitors like Avalara offer more robust enterprise-level solutions, so if you're growing fast or expanding globally, you may want to consider those alternatives. Next thing, BigTime supports sales tax automation, but there can be occasional errors in tax categorization. While these are rare, they do require manual intervention. For larger operations, this can lead to inefficiencies. More established platforms have stronger accuracy and fewer errors, so if precision is critical, that could be a deciding factor. The 10th thing is BigTime's limited tax jurisdiction coverage. While it covers a large number of U.S. states, if you operate in multiple countries, you may find it lacking compared to competitors that offer global tax solutions. Another thing is the lack of extensive e-commerce platform integrations. BigTime does support integration with some, but for businesses relying on a broader range of platforms, competitors like Avalara support more platforms out of the box, making it easier for e-commerce businesses to manage tax compliance across various sites. The final thing to know is BigTime's overall value for money. While it does a good job for small businesses,